Hi, I'm Trevor Dimoff. I'm a songwriter and a songwriting coach out of Halifax, Nova Scotia in Canada, and I run epicsongwriting.com. I first found out about Adam through his Facebook pictures lead magnet. So it totally demystified what was going on with my Facebook ads and the pictures I was running and why they were going nowhere. It'd be really nice if Facebook explained that. Fortunately, Adam straightened me out. So it was really helpful getting my act together as far as putting ads out there and actually getting results. I read his emails. He is actually interesting and engaging as opposed to most marketers that I've subscribed to. I'll actually read the whole email, which is pretty rare for me. I bought his Build a Better Website course about a year and a half ago, and that really helped straighten out a lot of things that I was sort of figuring out on my own and just demystified a whole lot of the process. His critique of my website was bang on. It was exactly what I needed to hear, even though it wasn't really great news. The good news was I was able to implement a lot of his suggestions, and it helped straighten things out. He also had an email series in that course that was just gold. It was great welcome email series, just laid it out, nice step-by-step approach that was easy to implement. So Adam's a good guy. He seems straight up and genuine, and if he's telling you something, it's almost always the truth. If not, it's a pretty good joke.